Hi, my name is Daniel Gottschall, and today I'll be doing the first video on the equation of a circle. So on the right you see I just drew a general circle centered at HK with radius A, and a formula for that would be x minus h squared. So we take the x, we subtract the x coordinate of the center point, which in general here I wrote as h. We do something similar with y, subtracting the y coordinate of the center point. And on the right, we set it equal to the radius a squared. So that's a general formula. That's it. Let's do some concrete examples in this though to help illustrate what this really means. All right, so here I have a circle centered at 2, 3, and it has the radius, but you can see with the green line. And our question is, what would the equation of this circle be? So we start with the center. We see with the x coordinates 2, so we want to subtract that. That's our h. Then we have our y coordinate 3. We subtract that. And we see here, so remember the radius is just any line connecting the center point of the circle to anywhere on the edge of the circle. Uh, I just chose this point on the edge of the circle that I drew just so it's really easy to see how long the radius actually is. And here, since it goes from 2 to 6, we see that the length is 4, so that's our A. And that's it. That's our equation of the circle. Alright, I want to go through this equation. So what about this one? So it's a very similar idea, but we do have to be careful with the signs. I purposely chose this example so that the center point would have negative coordinates, because keep in mind we're subtracting the coordinates, so here it would be x minus negative 4, because that's our h, whole quantity squared. Similarly, it's y minus negative 1, quantity squared. And this time I drew the radius as a vertical line. Doesn't matter if it's horizontal or vertical. Either way, it's very easy to see how long it is. And notice here it goes from negative 1 to 1, so it must have length 2. Quantity squared. And of course, we can simplify. We get rid of the double negatives. And that gives us our equation of the circle. Alright, so that's it for this video. So this video focused on going from drawings to equations. Video 2 will show you how to do it the other way, going from a given equation to drawing the circle. So see video 2 when you're ready.